The Fairview Mitigation Wetlands are an innovative environmental restoration project located within the City of Salem's Fairview Industrial Park. These 46 acres of publicly owned land were constructed and planted with native vegetation in order that they become a functional wetland habitat. A mitigation wetland is a wetland that is intentionally constructed by humans to offset loss of wetland habitat in other areas, often due to urban development. Wetlands are one of our most important natural resources. They are also one of the most biologically diverse ecosystems on the planet. The area is often saturated with water and grows thick with grasses, sedges, rushes, and other wetland plants. Waterfowl and other bird species can be found in abundance here. In addition to providing habitat for native plant and animal species, wetlands provide essential ecosystem services for society's direct benefit. Acting as giant sponges, wetlands provide beneficial water storage, flood control, and biological filtration of pollution that would otherwise flow directly into our rivers, our streams, and groundwater supplies. These areas also serve as open green spaces for recreation and leisure and provide invaluable opportunities for education and research.
The Fairview Mitigation Wetland offers incredible opportunities for people, especially those who like nature. You know, the naturalists out there who like to go birding or check out wildflowers or look for reptiles or amphibians. It has a lot of things to look at, and as an educator, I find that it has one of the best balances and richness for teaching field biology and getting kids out to actually do on-the-ground improvements.
Not peanut butter.
Peanut butter is good, high-calorie food.
And that
Fairview Wetlands is an ecological gem inside the city, and it's important for people to realize that to have this gem is a beautiful thing.
This is a very high value area that we have right here in the city that's very accessible and is providing many of the same functions and values that the other areas that we will travel hours to go see and look at. This is providing something in our community.
So if you look at a wetland, it has many different roles. It's not just habitat for other organisms, not just flood control, not just biodiversity, but it's a way of maintaining a green space that sustains us spiritually, that links to our education. We learn from it, we learn how to learn, and more importantly, that all of us are a part of that future.
People like you are an important part of this natural landscape. Students and community volunteers regularly work on trails, record wildlife sightings, plant native vegetation, and help remove invasive species like blackberries and bullfrogs.